video.
That is so cool. Good job.
Slime. Girl, no. Before it's solid.
I'm a magical pickle.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be filming a video outside, and if my eyes look closed, they probably are because the sun is in my face and I cannot see. This video is going to be if squishies for slime, because as you know, slime has taken over the world and squishies have kind of gone like obsolete a little bit, so I thought why not do a little mixing with the slime and the squishies. So without further ado, let's just get started. But that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And just a quick disclaimer that I was not making fun of any slime YouTubers or slime Instagrammers or just like what slime is. I kind of just did this for fun, and if it came off as offensive, I'm truly sorry, but that is not what I meant to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm in the back of a truck right now filming this outro, and I can't tell if it's in focus because the sun is in my face. I don't think it's in focus. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!